Caring for our feline companions involves more than just providing food and cuddles. As cat owners, we strive to create an environment that promotes their health and well-being. Enter the era of automatic cat litter boxes, a revolutionary solution that not only simplifies our lives but also enhances the overall hygiene for our beloved cats. In this video we're breaking down and checking out 5 best automatic cat litter box within your budget. I've made this list based on performance, quality, customer review, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for an automatic litter box for cat, we'll have the best products for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay. 5th product on my list, SMVP Cat Litter Box. The SMVP Large Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, the ultimate solution for hassle-free and hygienic cat care. Sleek and modern cat litter box. Now, let me tell you why this is a game-changer for pet owners. First up, we have a whopping 6 cm cat litter depth. No more worrying about your cat's business sticking to the bottom. This litter box is compatible with all bentonite and or cat litter, ensuring a clean and mess-free experience. Graphic representation of litter depth. See, it's perfect for your furry friends, no matter their preference in litter. Host demonstrating easy cleaning process. It's as easy as it looks. Cleaning up after your cat has never been this effortless. Comparing the SMVP box to a standard closed litter box, look at this, more space for your kitty to move around comfortably. It's like a private paradise for your feline friend. It's truly a space where every cat feels at home. If you want a cleaner, more spacious, and hassle-free experience for both you and your cat, make sure to check out the SMVP Large Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. 4th product on my list, Tonepie Cat Litter Box. The Tonepie Automatic Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Revolutionizing your cat's hygiene. In the realm of pet care, cat owners are continually seeking innovative solutions that not only cater to their feline friends' needs but also make their lives easier. The Tonepie Cat Litter Box emerges as a game-changer in the pet care industry, offering a space-efficient, self-cleaning solution that combines technology with functionality. Space efficiency of ComfiPaws Auto Litter Box. Gone are the days of bulky cat litter boxes taking up valuable space in your home. The ComfiPaws Auto Litter Box boasts a compact design, occupying only 4.5 cubic feet. Despite its small footprint, it provides an impressive 17.2 gal/65 L of interior space for your cats. What's more, the front entry height of 5.9 inches ensures that even short-legged cats can effortlessly access the litter box. Ionic deodorizer technology. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors with ComfiPaws' revolutionary ionic deodorant. This scientifically deodorized technology is not only safe and non-toxic but also ensures effective odor control. No more worrying about litter dust wafting into your living space. ComfiPaws keeps the air clean and fresh without the need for constant consumable replacements. Easy to use and clean. Cleaning the litter box is no longer a cumbersome task. ComfiPaws offers multiple cleaning modes, including automatic sensor cleaning, timed cleaning, one-click cat litter change, and clean smell mode. Bid farewell to the days of scooping litter manually. Assembling and disassembling the ComfiPaws Smart Automatic Litter Box is a breeze, with only 2 parts, the litter cylinder and the base. Environmental impact and sustainability. For environmentally conscious consumers, ComfiPaws takes a step towards sustainability. Explore any eco-friendly features or practices that contribute to a reduced environmental footprint. Choose a cat litter box that not only benefits your feline friend but also aligns with your values. 3rd product on my list, CATLINK Cat Litter Box. Revolutionizing feline hygiene with smart technology. In the ever-evolving landscape of pet care, the CATLINK Cat Litter Box emerges as a pioneer, combining intelligence, convenience, and hygiene for our feline companions. This automatic self-cleaning litter box is equipped with advanced features, making it an ideal choice for multiple cats. Let's dive into the details of how CATLINK is transforming the cat toilet experience. Remote control via CATLINK app. The CATLINK Cat Litter Box sets itself apart with its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing seamless control through the dedicated CATLINK app. Whether you're at work or enjoying a vacation, you can remotely clean the litter box, ensuring a consistently clean environment for your cat. The app brings convenience to the palm of your hands, making pet care accessible from anywhere. Versatile cleaning modes. CATLINK understands that every cat owner has unique preferences. Hence, the CATLINK Cat Litter Box offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, scheduled, manual, and emptying modes. Tailor the cleaning process to your liking and schedule. The emptying board, a convenient addition, facilitates easy access during the emptying mode, simplifying the overall maintenance process. Extra large capacity. With a generous internal space of 65 liter, the litter box accommodates cats weighing between 3.5 to 22 pounds. The low entrance height of 7.87 inches makes it particularly friendly for older cats, providing easy access and ensuring their comfort. The CATLINK Cat Litter Box offers a transformative experience for both cats and their owners. With its remote control capabilities, odor control features, versatile cleaning modes, large capacity, safety mechanisms, and health monitoring through the app, CATLINK sets a new standard in intelligent pet care. Embrace the future of feline hygiene with CATLINK and ensure a happy and healthy environment for your cherished furry friends. Second product on my list, PETKIT PURA Max Automatic Cat Litter Box. The PETKIT PURA Max app controls smart self-cleaning automatic cat litter box. The PETKIT PURA Max, a state-of-the-art self-cleaning cat litter box that takes cat care to the next level. Here's why it deserves a prime spot in your home. App-controlled convenience. Connected via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the PETKIT app empowers you to control the litter box anytime, anywhere. Enjoy the ease of managing your cat's toilet experience with just a few taps on your smartphone. 100% safe for Cat's X Secure system. The X Secure system prioritizes your cat's safety with infrared sensors, weight sensors, remote alerts, an accident protection system, and smart detections. PURA Max automatically pauses when your cat approaches, ensuring a worry-free experience. Auto cleaning and smart odor removal. Choose from 3 cleaning modes: auto cleaning, scheduled cleaning, and manual cleaning. Activate the mode via the app, and PURA Max swiftly removes waste when your cat exits the litter box. No more scooping required for up to 15 days for one cat. Extra large capacity. The 76-liter cylinder ensures a generous capacity, providing up to 15 days of scooping-free convenience for one cat. Accommodating cats from 3.5 pounds to 18 pounds and older than 6 months, PURA Max is perfect for households with multiple large cats. No more sticky poops. Thanks to specially made Tonepie rubber, PURA Max prevents soft stools from sticking to the litter box. Enjoy a clean and hygienic cat toilet at all times. The PETKIT PURA Max is a game-changer in cat hygiene. With its app-controlled features, safety measures, health tracking capabilities, and innovative cleaning and odor removal functions, it offers unparalleled convenience for cat owners. Upgrade your cat's toilet experience with PETKIT PURA Max, where innovation meets feline well-being. First product on my list, OIMG Cat Litter Box. The epitome of convenience with the OIMG Cat Litter Box, a fully enclosed automatic sandbox designed for the modern cat owner. Let's delve into the features that make it stand out. Compatibility and connectivity. This innovative litter box seamlessly integrates into your home's ecosystem. It adapts to single/dual frequency routers, supporting 2.4G band Wi-Fi. Ensure your router is set to the 2.4G band for optimal connectivity. Please note that it currently does not support 5G single frequency and certified Wi-Fi found in hotels or airports. Cat use range. The OIMG Cat Litter Box is tailored for cats weighing between 1.5 kilograms and 10 kilograms. This versatile range accommodates a broad spectrum of feline sizes, ensuring that both small and large cats can enjoy the benefits of this smart litter box. Smart and efficient design. Embrace the future of cat care with the OIMG Cat Litter Box's automatic self-cleaning feature. Bid farewell to manual scooping as the litter box efficiently manages waste, providing a clean and hygienic environment for your cat. Sleek and enclosed design. The fully enclosed nature of this litter box ensures privacy for your cat and minimizes litter tracking. Enjoy a tidy and aesthetically pleasing addition to your home while meeting your cat's needs. The OIMG Cat Litter Box is more than just a pet accessory, it's a lifestyle upgrade for both you and your cat. With its innovative design, compatibility features, and commitment to feline well-being, this litter box sets a new standard in cat care.